Hello everybody, this is Black Cuber. I'm here at Georgia Tech right now for the cubing competition. I'm a little late right now, so I'm gonna get going. And yeah.
So you guys want to be competitors? Yeah. Station 2.
Okay. I'm ready.
You ready?
Yep. Comp update, we just finished 2x2. I got really excited when I was like second in I was second in 2x2, and then I realized that the better people go last, so I ended up
He's a newbie. He doesn't know how to do this.
I was in second place, and then I checked the thing like 10 minutes later and I'm in 21st.
Yeah,
And-
he's not making fun. I mean, neither am I, but like
Arv did okay. He was hitting the books. He wasn't cubing.
Yeah.
Respectively.
I'm not a child like you.
He got 100 on
I'm
his
not a
EOC.
cubing child.
He got 100 on his EOC, by the way. I think that's better than getting sub 5 second average.
Yeah, I don't need this. This is all
Okay, figure 3, round 1. We got a 2 18s, 2 22s, and a 20. So I think we got a 20-second average something. I don't know. I'm judging right now, so. All right, bye.
Yeah, 1:47. 40. Yeah. Yeah, just right.
Okay, comp results. We got 70th place in 3x3 first round with a 20-second average. We improved by like 10 seconds since our last comp, so that's awesome. For 2x2, we got a 6-second average. I usually average like 4, so I was really nervous. That was my first event too, but I got like 60-something place. So yeah, we're moving on to 3x3 round 2. Right now it is lunch, my favorite event, and yeah. See y'all later. Peace.
So Miles, how was 4x4?
It sucked because that's like not even my average. But I didn't even really care because I wasn't gonna make cutoff anyway.
Wow. I'm up next. I'm kind of scared.
I'm hoping to get like sub 9.